Hey, if you're looking for the best tutorials ever, you are in the right channel. So welcome and feel at home. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to style a simple bandana like Tupac, a simple bandana into an amazing look. All you need is the bandana, your head, and which is not even a must, a flat surface. And as we get into that, just like this video, subscribe, and you can also leave a comment below or talk to me via my social media pages, that is at Wambere Maureen. So pick the particular bandana. Mine is right here. It doesn't matter the color of bandana that you have, and hold it from this tip, from one tip to the other tip, in the air like that. Or if you're using a flat surface, what you do is you place it like this. If you're using the flat surface, the inner side will be facing up. Okay, the inner side will be the one that is facing to the top, and the other way around, that is like this, the inner side will be facing towards where you're looking at. And you make sure that you watch this video to the very end so that you can get every single tip detail by detail. Okay, so having held it like that, what you do is you rotate it like this. Okay, having held it like this, we do what? We rotate it like this. And if you're placing it on a flat surface, I told you guys, I got everyone covered. It doesn't matter how you're doing it or where you have placed it, I got you covered. That's a bonus on why you should actually subscribe. So if you've placed it like this, you'll just have to rotate it a little bit like this to form something like a star. Do you know, actually you are a star? Yeah, you are a star. Has anyone told you that today? Not yet. I know. I'm just the vibe. And actually, guys, off topic, just a second. And please don't go anywhere else. This is the place to be. Don't touch that dial. That is what they say. I'm getting a cold, actually. And I don't understand why I'm getting a cold. I think it's because we are in that season whereby this place is dusty. Like dusty. If you go to this side, dust. If you go to the other side, I'm telling you, just a walking distance, it's already dusty. Guys, watch my videos so that you can get to 1 million views, and probably will get probably will get myself a car. Manifesting, single and searching. Anyways, this place is actually dusty. It is very dusty. You see those kind of, what do you call them, wind that goes or carrying things, they are called gomashiaka. I'm not sure then. Ni hurricane in English. Tell me, you can tell me in the comment section what they are called. Those ones, they are the ones that we are experiencing here. And also it's because I hustle at evening hours when it's cold. Sometimes it extends to the night, and that's why I'm having a cold. Quick recovery to me, guys. So where were we? We had formed a star. And have you seen Tupac's latest pic? There's this particular picture I'll be sharing. I don't know if I'll place it on this side or this side. There's this particular picture whereby he looks like he is right here with us, guys. I'll be sharing that picture with you. That picture, the quality, from the quality to everything else. Do you know, people are saying that someday this guy Tupac is going to just appear out of nowhere and will be just like shocked. And with all that talk, I was just giving you time to subscribe to this YouTube channel. But yeah, I love talking to you guys. Actually, I feel amazing when I do that. When I do that. Anyways, if you had placed it like this and formed your star, what you're going to do, you're going to pick one tip and take it to the other side. Okay, and then this is what you will have, something of this shape. And if you had picked it like this, you had formed your star like this is the star I'm talking about. You're just going to take the top side. Remember, the opposite side is the one that is facing the other side. So you're going to take from here and then try and join it to this other side. So you take from the top and then join it like that. And then you'll have something like this. It's the same thing that we formed while placing it on a flat surface. So when you have something like this, remember most of the times I'm always telling you, oh, it's going to be detailed. Actually, I've done so many tutorials. That's why I'm telling you should subscribe so that you can check them out. And you can watch my other videos on different bandanas, scarves, and all that. So what I'm telling you is that most of the times I tell you guys that the amount of hair that you have determines how you fold it or what size you will have of the bandana. But in this particular case, I want us to have a certain size. Let's talk about the same size for everyone, because when you look into that picture of Tupac that we're trying to do, there is a particular size. Okay, yeah, so you fold it from the top like that up to the center there, to have something like this, to have this side or size of the bandana. Okay, I hope you've done that. And also for the people we're using the flat surface, it's the same case. All you'll do is just pick this side and then place it there a little bit to almost touching the end. But because we do not want this particular thing to come out, this is what you're going to do. We're going to do another fold, just a small one. I could have just told you guys to just like pick from this side and then drop it all the way right there, but that is not the goal that we have right now. So it's not the goal exactly, but what we want is something that once we place it on our hair, oh my dear guys, I can see my hair, my African hair looks amazing, looks like a wig, it looks amazing, looks amazing. It looks like a wig, yeah, good girl. I'm telling you guys, I'll give you the story behind this hair. Let's stick to the topic anyways. So right here, you'll drop it up to somewhere like that way. Okay, and then having done that, what else you need is to fold it a little bit up to there. Have you done that? Just a little bit, not too much. I know some people exaggerate to that size. No, this time we need the same size. So this is how it looks like, or that size. Okay, so how do you place it on your head? Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, you'll have to look at how it's shaped. This side, this particular side, is the one that is going to be on the lower side of your head, and on the bottom side, sorry, to be specific, on the bottom side is where you'll have this. Okay, so just place it like that. Okay, let me show you from the back. You're going to pick it and just place it right there, and this is what you are having. And then hold onto this edge and this end, and make sure it's like kind of a little bit. You see, most of the times this part of the head, how do you call, after the medulla oblongata, whatever, this part, this other side that is usually the back part, where you cannot see it, where you cannot see yourself unless you use some reflection or something, that is the place where we're placing it. Okay, so once you place it like that, what you do is now, not really exactly at the center, but almost at the center. How do you know your center? Like this. That is where you do your knot. I hope you know how to do the knot. You're going to pick this side and this side, and then I want us to do it this way. On my hair, you're going to pull something like this. That is how you do your knot. And then after that, you see it's lying on the ears. It's lying on the ears like that. This one of the ends, you make sure that it's lying somehow on your eyelashes. Yes, you make sure it's lying on your eyelashes. And remember these ones, where they're lying? Right there. And then one sweet knot. Just like that. Let me redo that because of my hair. It's kind of deciding, girl. I think I'm going to rock that side today. Yeah, I told you I need this big size like that. So guys, make sure that you like this video. Please just like it and share it out. You can share it out. Comment down below or just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And then, okay, so you can actually do it on the other side. I've noticed I've tied the knot on this other side. So if I do it on this other side, the knot is going to lie, this end is going to lie on this other eyelash. So what I'm telling you is share it out and subscribe. Subscribing is just clicking on the red button. It's usually free of charge. I've not yet started the membership one, and once we get into the membership one, I will inform you. You can also follow me or talk to me via my socials. That is at Wambere Maureen, Miss Maureen. Yeah, out there. I'm always super friendly for those who come to my inbox. Imagine guys, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, like that. No, we don't want it looking up like this. We want them like this. That's why I wanted the notes the other way. Yeah. Me how oh, I should sing a Tupac song in his memory. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this far. I appreciate you so much. Like, share, comment down below, and you can always talk to me, tell me what more you want to see from me, and see you on the next update. Click on either videos right here. From the back, top, drop it like you mean it, drop it like you mean it.